Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market update on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's on its way to test the top end of the cloud here. That's the first major support level to watch out for. This is 45,000 zone. And then these lows here, these lows there, that level of, let's check that quickly, is about 43,216 is a key cluster of support, because we can see this also, that level also comes from this front end cloud chart support level, and then this front end cloud chart, the bottom end of the cloud support level. So there's three key support levels to watch out for: that one, and then these lows. Yeah, the closes there, actually the lows, not the ultimate lows. So that level, then if those levels fail, then we could dip back into the test the bottom end of the cloud. Yeah, so we are heading towards potential rebound zones, this cluster of rebound zones, the top end of the cloud. If support fails there, then we could possibly rebound from the bottom end of the cloud. But as long as price action stays above the bottom end of the cloud, the outlook is still bullish on a Ichimoku cloud chart basis. Now, this is the weekly chart, so be on the lookout for those key levels and potential rebounds from those levels. Looking at the daily, now this outlook remains bearish. Our last update was within this price action move here. Got a rebound back up to the standard line, turning line of the cloud here. See how that turning line is a key resistance zone. The next level of resistance is the standard line, the brown one right behind it there. And now key resistance levels is this cloud chart resistance level is 53,366. So we can project that across, and that would be a new resistance zone in case we get a mean reversion type swing trade from these support levels back up to the bottom in the cloud, as well as that level there. That's also a key resistance zone at the front end of the cloud. So the two upside resistance levels to watch out for is this one at 53,366 and then 55,696. But we're now still drifting lower, a slow grind lower to test. We're digging into a cluster of cloud chart support levels. Now, where these levels come from, that cloud chart shadow level, we look when we talk about cloud chart shadows, we look at the level to the old price key support levels. So we can see that level there at 46,414 is a key support level, and then the bottom end of the cloud there, 45,148. So there's a bundle, a cluster of potential rebound support levels that we could see support come back in at Bitcoin. And if we fail those two key levels, then we look at these lows here as well as this cluster, and then at the bottom in the cloud here, there's another key level to watch out for at 41,137. But keep an eye on these levels. We're digging into a key support zone. Potential rebound zone is either the current level at 46,355. The next one is 45,183. And then the ultimate low there would be another 43,262. So that's a cluster of support levels where we can potentially rebound from. And then the swing trade back up to the bottom end, the standard line first as a resistance zone, and then the bottom end of the cloud as the other resistance zone. For Bitcoin to be bullish on the daily, price action needs to be back above the top end of the cloud, at least the bottom end of the cloud there and the top end of the cloud. So we are trading counter trend here on Bitcoin. And since it's below the cloud, we are trying to swing trade, doing a mean reversion trade. So we're trying to buy the support when it tests these cluster of support levels to swing trade that back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So that's the setup on the daily. Turning to the 4-hour chart. Big slice through the cloud chart support levels. Our last update was within this cluster. We got a little rally there back to the test the front end cloud chart resistance held. Now you can see how this front end cloud chart resistance is so far holding, and price action is still bearish because price action is taking place below the bottom end of the cloud on a 4-hour basis. So just be aware of that. We are trying to swing trade any kind of counter trend type swing trade from key support levels back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So these are the levels to watch out for a swing trade back up to the bottom in the cloud. And then we'll hold on to those trades as it breaks through the major resistance levels there. We can see on the cloud now, these are the major upside resistance levels to get through. But to be very bullish on Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we need to be back above the top end cloud chart resistance level. So it's bearish on 4 hour, where we swing trade key support levels that's been tested. On the daily, it's also bearish, price actions below the cloud, but we're looking for potential rebounds from these levels. And now on the weekly, it's looking like it's heading towards a major test of the top end weekly cloud chart support levels. So far so good. Looking for potential trades from those rebound zones. Until next time, happy cloud chart